The 2023 Newest Upgraded IdeaPad 1i laptop for student and business by Lenovo is a great choice for students and professionals who need a powerful and affordable laptop. It has a large 15.6-inch FHD display, an Intel core CPU, 20GB of RAM, and 1152GB of SSD storage. It also comes with Windows 11 pre-installed and a ROKC bundle of accessories. Here are some of the key features of this laptop. 15.6-inch FHD 1920x1080 display. Intel core CPU. 20GB of RAM. 1152GB, 128GB SSD plus 1TB SSD of storage. Windows 11 Home pre-installed. ROKC bundle of accessories, laptop shoulder bag, wireless computer mouse. This laptop is perfect for students who need a powerful laptop for their coursework, research, and presentations. It is also a great choice for professionals who need a laptop for productivity tasks, such as word processing, spreadsheet editing, and email. Here are some of the benefits of using this laptop. Powerful performance. The Intel core CPU and 20GB of RAM ensure that this laptop can handle even the most demanding tasks with ease. Large storage capacity. With 1152GB of storage, you will have plenty of room to store your files, photos, and videos. Long battery life. The long battery life means that you can use this laptop all day without having to worry about running out of power. Affordable price. This laptop is very affordable for its features and performance. If you are looking for a powerful and affordable laptop for school or work, the 2023 Newest Upgraded IdeaPad 1i laptop for student and business by Lenovo is a great choice.